Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by making sure iCloud Calendar is active and the calendar you want to share exists. On iPhone, open Settings, your name iCloud, toggle Calendars on. On Mac, click System Settings, Apple ID iCloud. Once done, open the Calendar app and reveal the calendar list. You need the specific calendar visible. Next, select the target calendar and get ready to add people. This is the first actionable step toward sharing, so don't skip confirming which calendar you intend to share. You'll now add people and choose permissions. Tap the info icon or right-click the calendar and pick Share or Add People. Type the contact emails, then pick whether they can view only or edit. View only prevents changes, editing syncs updates both ways. If you need broader access, use Make Public to create an iCloud link, but be careful. Public means anyone with the link can see it. Once invitations are sent, recipients get an invite. They must accept to sync automatically. Finish by verifying acceptance and synchronization. You should see shared event changes appear on all participants' devices once they accept. Make sure everyone has iCloud Calendar enabled. You can always change permissions later by reopening Share settings and switching between View or Edit. If syncing fails, first check iCloud system status and restart the Calendar app. Next, ensure network connectivity and that participants are signed into the correct Apple ID. One key
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.